Hi all, we're in some Anvil on Modern. We're an xmage. Hmm. This hand has plenty of redeeming features like two lightning bolts, and Mishra's bubble, but it has a Phyrexian dragon engine hand. I guess that's not a problem because we can be in Scrapwork mat with the Goblin Engineer, but I'm not too sure what it's supposed to do. Like you can interact early on, but that's it. Okay, this is a much better hand. Finally, I will bottom a bolt here. This could come back to bite me, but I can't pass up on two bubbles, creating two triggers for on count anvil. And I'm already regretting that I bottomed the bolt, since we're playing against hammer time. Yeah, it's annoying. Damn. I needed to keep the bolt. This is the moral of the story. Okay. Some decks are not just competing on the same axis. We're trying to play turn to anvil here, the opponent is trying to turn 2 or 3 kill us. Well, um, at least if we drew Haywire Might, Haywire Might, we have one in the deck. We have tutors for it too. Okay, I think we can beat the Caldra, if I must be, if I'm honest. Although they will give it lifelink, right? Yeah, but I think we can actually beat Caldra. Hmm. So now I get to do my Haywire Might thing. Um, I think that I'm not committing in doing it next turn because it will put me back far too much. But maybe we can have some game here. Okay, we have a second Goblin Engineer. We'll take all Caldra bits, but that's kind of alright since we are gonna ping them with Onical Anvil and stem the bleeding a little bit. Maybe they won't attack at all to create a construct token. This could be their plan here, right? No, they're foregoing a construct token. I guess we can block that construct token pretty well. So this is why they're hesitant, but at least, but we can also kind of handle Caldra in the long term. I sacrificed my token here because I want them to. What's the word? To not have to miss lethal by 1 point of damage at some point. Okay, so we will do this and we'll grab a Haywire Might here. Target the opponent with this. We are creating back a token. Um, okay, drawing a card. We drew Matt, which is pretty cool. Hmm. I don't think we are supposed to sacrifice this token though. What did they grab? They grabbed their own Haywire Might. That's pretty unimpactful. And they're tapping their might to Exile the target non-creature artifact. Unfortunately for them, we can sacrifice this to itself. I mean, sure, we still have problems here, but at least next turn we'll be able to deal with the Cauldron. No way, do they have... okay, they have another Stoneforge. Okay, I guess we can deal with another Stoneforge. Sort of Fire and Ice. Are they not Hammer Time? Maybe they're not Hammer Time. Okay, so our plan here is to play this tapped, I guess. Yeah. We have pretty good blocks, and from next turn on we'll be able to do some pretty good things. Can't believe we're surviving this. Let's see what they play and where they equip. So this Fire and Ice. Let's see where they equip this. We equip it on the Phyrexian Germ token, then I'll just kill the token. Okay, so they're equipping this to Ornithopter. I guess that's a good equip. So we will block the Construct token. Yeah, that's a good equip, but we can play around it, I think. So we put this in front of the Construct token. We get the back Haywire Might. Sacrifice the blocker. Get this into play. Exile Surrey Fire and Ice. Gain 2 life. Next turn we'll be able to actually go Scrapwork Mat. Do this almost the exact same line. And the good part is that Scrapwork Mat, we can also get back Scrapwork Mat the turn after. I think I'm supposed to beam Shrapnel Blast here. This could be wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to get actually being the engineer because I can Shrapnel Blast this Golem token. Okay, let's assume that they have no interaction. That's a Dragon Engine there. I do have the pretty good line of blasting the Construct token. Let's see what they're doing now. Okay, so we'll block here. This is quite very suspicious what they're doing here. So I think I'll get let them. No, I think I can't afford to let the Stoneforge through. If they have +2/+2 on the Stoneforge, then that's fine probably. So we are selecting blockers like this. And we'll get back our Might again. Sacrificing our Mat. Exile Caldra. And hope for the best here. Yeah, this screamed blacksmith skill from a mile away. But at least we're still not dead. They have a second skill, then we do lose. Yeah, we can play this Stomping Ground and out, but I don't think it changes much. The issue is that, okay, we can block with a might, right? Yeah. Okay, so we can unearth this scrapwork mat. Should I unearth the scrapwork mat? Yeah. But I don't. I need to not be in the dragon engine because I need to actually cast the dragon engine the turn after. So I'll unearth this cute little thing. Discard the card. I don't like it, but I think I'm supposed. No, I can actually have a pretty good turn the turn after, right? Because I can go. Yeah, I can bin the engine because I have this breach here. You also have galvanic blast. Damn, the opponent conceded. I had a lot of lines there. I guess the engine tilted the opponent. I guess good game.